They are hearty, healthy, and always an easy meal to make.
The perfect dish for winter, and especially with this storm that's engulfing most of Canada this weekend.
Yes, we're talking delicious stews in the Your Morning Kitchen, and food expert Jason Skrobar joins us to share his recipes. Welcome,
Yours are
Mike.
so good.
It is stew season.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and so I thought I'd bring you guys 3 sort of different stews that you might not think of. So the first one...
With secret ingredients.
With secret ingredients. The first one is a Portuguese fish stew. I was just in Portugal last week, and I ate a lot of seafood, and I thought this would be a fun one to teach you guys how to make.
Okay. You came back inspired. I love it.
Basically, what we have is we have some whole tomatoes, and I want you to crush those up with that.
Oh,
so
smash,
mash
smash.
those up. And the easy thing about this stew is that you just basically layer everything.
Okay.
So we've got our base.
Could you use canned tomatoes here?
Yeah, those are totally canned.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So what we do is we layer. So we have the tomatoes. Now we're going to throw in some white fish.
Guys, can I use this?
Yep.
Yep. White fish that's been cut up.
Go to just your fishmonger and get it cut up like this?
Get them to take the skin off.
Okay.
Then some shrimp.
Okay.
Okay,
This
and then we're
smasher
going to
thing is
layer
really good.
all of the veggies. So we have some red potatoes. You can use any kind of potato you want. And that goes on top
I'm
of the
a
fish.
russet fan.
There you go. Then use that. Some white onions.
Okay.
Then some red peppers.
Just layering this? We don't have to mix it together?
No, everything stays in layers.
Okay.
And then after that is we're going to put our aromatics. So we've got some garlic.
Okay. All this?
All of that.
Okay.
We have some chili powder.
Okay.
This is the secret ingredient. So this is piri piri, which
Oh,
is
yes.
a
I love it.
Portuguese hot sauce.
Okay.
And then some parsley. and
All of this too?
just a pinch of the salt.
Okay, pinch of the salt.
And all of the parsley, just scatter that over top.
So colorful,
And then the
too.
last is the liquid. So we have some white wine.
Okay, about
so
half of
give a
this.
little bit of that. Yep, that's good.
Nice.
All of this olive oil.
Okay.
Okay,
And
and
all of
that's
this?
clam juice. So all of that goes in, and all of
Where do
that
you get
goes
clam
in.
juice?
Any grocery store has it next to the tuna, canned tuna.
Okay, good.
Okay, and then the last thing that goes on top is we have some mussels, okay? So we just kind of take those, cover that up, and then we
surprisingly easy.
turn it
Yeah, and this colors are beautiful.
turn it up to high. You want that to boil for about 10 minutes. Opens the mussels, and then this is what you get, guys. And if you want to try
Yep,
it,
I'm coming in.
there's some spoons
Yeah,
there.
I'm coming in. All right.
You gonna try some or after?
I'm saving room for this stuff on
Okay,
the side.
okay, perfect.
I do love fish, though.
That's it? That's all you got to do to get this?
Right? Yeah.
Wow.
In the pot for 15
Wow.
minutes, and
And
it just sort of
healthy.
yeah, exactly.
Do you need a special pot like this?
No, you can use any pot you want.
It's as easy as that.
Yeah,
Jeez,
yeah.
to get that out of that, and that's that easy,
That's it.
I'm really impressed.
And you don't have to mix it at all.
Just
you
leave
just
it.
let it
Wow.
let it do its thing.
So good.
So
Amazing.
the next one we have is a kimchi
yum.
pork and kimchi stew. So basically what we have here is some oil and some Korean chili powder. To that we're going to add, these are the sort of secret ingredients. We have some gochujang,
Yes.
which is a Korean chili paste. We're going to add that to the pot. Okay? And then also we're adding some miso. So
Okay.
that's soybean paste. Okay?
Again, all available at the grocery store, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then this is it. This is the kimchi, the star of this soup or this stew. And then to that, we're actually going to up the ante in terms of the flavor profile. We're going to add the juice from the kimchi.
Okay, wow.
Okay?
See, this is what I love when a soup has a bit of tang, a little bit of flake, like a
Right?
little bit of sweet. Mm.
And then we're going to take this. This is some chicken stock. You can use veg stock if you want. That goes in. And then this is the pork that we're using. You can use any kind of pork you want. This is a pork chop. If you have pork loin, use that. Whatever you have. But all you have to do is put it in whole.
Oh.
And you take that, yeah.
Okay.
And then you take that, you turn the heat up, you cover it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and you let that cook for about 15 minutes. When that's done, you take the pork out and you slice it really
Okay.
thinly, and then you add it back to the pot.
Gotcha.
And when you add the pork back, you're also going to add some zucchini. If you have carrots on hand, use carrots. Whatever you have, a little bit of tofu. All that goes back in. Let it marry all the flavors, and then this is what you get here.
I need to try this.
No,
Okay.
don't take that one over there. It's going to burn your mouth. There's
No,
one
no,
here.
it's fine. I gotcha.
Dude,
I gotcha.
honestly,
I gotcha.
There's one right here for you. So you're not even going to flavor it because you're going to be like, oh, no. You're not even going to taste it.
So this is it. This is what you get right here.
I'm gonna
And
eat
we're
the
serving that over some rice, just some sticky rice, some short grain rice. A lot of flavor in this one. Right?
This is amazing. Okay, we only have about
Okay,
30
so
seconds left.
one
What's the last one you got here?
And
this
this
is
one
good.
is a vegan stew. It's got sweet potatoes, kale, and the secret
Go on and
ingredient
try it.
in this is some almond butter. So we've taken some almond butter, some kale, some sweet potatoes, veg stock, And I'm just topping it with a little bit of cilantro, and there you go.
Anne-Marie, you enjoy that vegan stew.
I will.
I'm gonna be over here with the pork. That's fantastic.
Nice sweet to it.
Right? It's good, eh? It's something.
You enjoy. For all these recipes, you can visit our website,
so good.
yourmorning.ca.